The moment you've all been waiting for. Yippee! My second video of what to do when. This one is gonna be what to do when it is wet outside.
Hey there.
Hey, what was that for?
Hello?
Hi,
What do you want?
can I come home?
Why?
'Cause I want to come home.
Why?
'Cause I want to come home.
Well, you can't.
Why?
I am eating your sister.
Why?
'Cause she is delicious.
But she's all full of fat.
I know, but that is preparing me for hibernation.
But Mom, you don't need any more fat. You're too fat already. You're like 5,000 pounds.
Do not call me fat or you will not get any of your dinner tonight.
I don't want my sister for dinner. She's all full of fat. I don't like fat.
I never said you were eating your sister. I said,
Can I eat you?
no, you get the best dinner in the world.
What?
Bubba Burgers.
Bubba Burgers?
Yes, Bubba Burgers.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, don't come home until you have caught the fish.
But I'm over at my friend's house.
Catch the fish.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
He's all wet. Oh no. Wet boy, after me. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, 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 splash. Touch me and you'll never see this video. Wipe that off with your sweatshirt.
What?
Wipe it off. That's a garage door, not your own little hand sanitation center for the cleanliness and sanitation. Wipe it on the ground or something.
Wipe it on the ground.
This ground. Or your pants, either one works, you know.
I'm chasing these in the rain. Chasing these in the rain. I don't know why. Up the work of the south. I watch out if I were you.
In the rain.
Yeah.
I'll go first. My turn.
My turn.
It's wet outside. It's raining.
Oh, so this is the end of our video, guys. I know it's sad, but, come on, do it. So, subscribe, comment, poop if you have to.
Video responses?
Yeah, what he said, and, yeah, and look at these drumsticks. I'm bored.
Don't come home until you have caught the fish.
But I'm over at my friend's house.
Catch the fish.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.